Hey, hon, it's time to wake up. I would love to give you another 5 minutes of sleep, but then your breakfast would get cold. Yes, I made you breakfast. Now, come sit up so you can eat. I've never seen you so shocked before. No, you're not dreaming. I am wearing a maid uniform. Mm-hmm. Yep. I will be your maid for the day, doing everything for you. Shh. Hush. First, you gotta eat your food. Say, ah. So, what do you say? Does it taste good? Thank you. Only the best for my hun. Oh, don't worry about me. I already ate. I love seeing your eyes light up whenever you eat my cooking. Yes, it's a special look in your eyes that you only get then. Oh, no need to get shy now. I find it really adorable. Why am I doing all this? First of all, I love you like nothing else. Second of all, you have been working really hard, and I just wanted to spoil you. Of course you deserve it. Now quiet down and drink your juice. I made the juice just how you like it. Done already? Jeez, you always eat so fast. Not so fast. You're not getting out of bed yet. You've been really tense this week, and you really like my touch, so I thought a nice massage would do you some good. Relax, hon. Loosen up your muscles as best as you can. I've only started, and I can already feel you melting from my touch. Don't hide your face, hun. I want to see that cute blush. So, how was your sleep? Good. I was worried I might wake you up by leaving bed earlier than usual. Oh, honey, I really don't mind getting up a little early to make you breakfast. I wanted to do it. No buts. Except for mine. Yes, I went there. Oh, don't act like that. You love my butt. Oh, yes, you do. How many times have you been my chair so far? Exactly. Now, close those cute lips before I kiss them off. What did I say about hiding your face? I can finally feel your shoulders loosening up. I'm so glad you finally got your vacation. I would have gone to your boss's house and given her a piece of my mind if she didn't. Don't test me, hun. I absolutely would have. Don't you remember that rude guy at the coffee shop that one time? My point exactly. I decked him into next Tuesday. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. You can lean back on me while I massage your arms and hands now. Just relax, hon. You have an entire vacation ahead of you. Hush. Close your eyes. I don't mind if you fall asleep on me, hon. I'll just take that as a compliment. You are really in need of a massage. You're stiff all over. Oh, sounds like someone's fallen asleep. Don't worry, dear. I'll make sure you sleep well.